So Uber releases new privacy features for riders and drivers. And I'll leave a picture of the graph there. For example, here, requesting a trip, driver sees your rider rating and approximate locations. 4.84, for example, National Avenue, going to Baltic Circle, Redwood City. On the way, driver sees your first name, last name, initial. There it is. And pickup location. During your trip, driver sees your first name, last name, initial, and drop-off location. So I don't know why it just repeats itself all the time. After your trip, driver sees your approximate pickup and drop-off location. So, I mean, it's almost like the same information that's just repeating itself over and over again. Uber is formally launching 2 new features today: View as Driver and Profile Data Expiration. Uber claims these updates will make both riders and drivers feel safer by providing enhanced privacy and transparency. According to Uber's United States Safety Report, released in December 2019, more than 5,981 riders and drivers reported an Uber-related sexual assault in 2017 and 2018 combined. The report found that 89% of the people who filed reports identify as women. Uber's new privacy features could help protect riders and drivers who might be at risk, including those who belong to marginalized groups. Uber's View as Driver feature allows riders to see what personal information drivers can access. Before, during, and after the ride, riders can see what personal details their driver receives, including their first name, photo, and pickup and drop-off location. Riders are also able to confirm that drivers can't see certain private information, including their last name, phone number, profile photo, and the rating they give the driver. The feature will be available as a prompt on the main rider interface. According to privacy engineering executive Zach Singleton, View as Driver is a first in the ride-sharing industry. And that's sort of like the interface there. In an interview with VentureBeat, Singleton said there are 2 primary ways to access this feature. We'll prompt you annually, or you can open the feature from any trip and your trip history. And you can also access a non-personalized version of the feature in our in-app privacy settings or on the web. On the driver side, the profile data expiration update is designed to remove personal driver information, including the driver's first name, profile picture, and car make and model within 48 hours after a ride. Uber says the driver's license plate information will be deleted from the rider's app within 30 days. Singleton said this feature will be a default setting applied to all rides. 30 days after the trip, or right after the trip, or 2 days after the trip. So those interfaces change. Information stays for a specific period and then vanishes. The 2 updates are already rolling out in the United States and Canada. Uber plans to create related features for Uber and Uber Eats in the future. Today's release coincides with conversations about Proposition 22, a measure on California's November 3 ballot that would exempt companies like Uber from classifying drivers as employees and paying them mandated wages and benefits. Ride-sharing companies claim that limiting their ability to classify drivers as independent contractors will put large numbers of Californians out of work. Fear marketing, I call that. Just last Thursday, a California appeals court ordered these companies to reclassify their drivers as employees. This injunction is set to take effect in about a month unless Proposition 22 passes. Uber, along with Lyft and other gig economy companies, have spent $200 million advocating for the passage of Proposition 22. And again, Californians should not fall for this because you keep on bailing them out with your taxpayers. This Proposition 22 is paid by Uber. California, don't fall for it. According to LA Times, Columnist Michael Hiltzik, this ballot campaign is the most expensive in state history. While Uber's new privacy features appear to be arriving at a politically relevant moment, they follow Uber's long-term focus on data transparency and could significantly improve user experiences across the board. So they're just scrambling to try to make things happen. I say a little bit too late, just a week before the big voting day. Come on, Uber. This stuff should have been out ages ago. My sponsor, thank you very much. Kover, Kover, 1 month free with the link below. They cover all these companies, starts as little as $7 a month. It's a gig protection plan. You have your auto insurance, you have your medical insurance, and you go out and get a gig protection plan starting at $7 a month. If you get deactivated, hopefully not, or wrongfully terminated, their legal arm, Legal Rideshare, sends out the legal letters to Uber and Lyft or any other company and says, hang on, you've wrongfully terminated my client, reinstate them immediately. If you are in an accident, if your car is in the body shop, if you're in hospital, the Kover plan kicks in, covers 80% of your lost earnings. They partner with LegalRideshare.com, a law firm specializing in rideshare in Chicago. Whether you're injured or have property damage to your car or have wage loss, they will go file the insurance claims and go after those insurance companies for the maximum amount for you. They're the best of the best in the industry. Please leave your comments. Let me know what you think about these new privacy terms. I really want your feedback on this, right? How do you feel about this? Are they wasting their time here? Does this make sense? I'd also appreciate if riders can tune in, not just drivers. Have a great day.